are going to love the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension, four-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.